My name is David Harrison, and I'm a podiatrist with Premier Surgical in Knoxville, Tennessee. As a podiatrist, I see a broad spectrum of different issues with your foot and ankle, anywhere from ingrown toenails, bunions, hammer toes, fracture care, and diabetic prevention. Sometimes when your feet are hurting so bad, the only way to fix it is surgery, and we can accomplish that with minimally invasive techniques and to get you back on your feet so you're not hurting anymore. I do a broad spectrum of different surgeries, from bunions, corrective surgery, hammer toes, plantar fasciitis, fusion for osteoarthritis, and joint replacement. Sometimes when we get arthritis in our joints in our foot, it hurts so bad that we can actually replace the joints. Many people have heard about different joint replacements like an ankle or a knee or a hip, and we can do similar things in the foot. Growing up, I played a lot of sports, and I found that if your feet hurt, then nothing else goes well. I have a lot of patients that come in where if we can give them immediate relief, then they can get back onto their daily activities with no pain. I did my medical school at Kent State in Ohio, and then I followed that up with a residency at Detroit Medical Center where I specialized in foot and ankle reconstruction. I try to treat all the patients that come in as they're one of my family. So if we can solve issues with conservative care, that's always the best option. We always have surgery in our back pocket if we need to, but I want you leaving here feeling good about your plan. In my free time, I hang out with my kids. I have 3 children, they all love playing sports. I don't know when we started treating these kids like professional athletes, but I love chasing them around and watching them play sports. We love being outside, we love spending time at the lake with my family, and anytime we have a chance to go outside, I'm gonna take that up. I used to triathlons, and I am actually an Ironman finisher. With podiatry, prevention is key. If we can catch stuff early, it saves us a lot of headache down the road. I understand that when your feet hurt quite a bit, it's hard to do anything else. Hopefully we can get you back to your daily activities without any pain.